Hello everyone, welcome back. I think I gave this preset away a long time ago. It's actually was a different one, but it was a puzzle transition like you see on the screen. I think I gave it away in a pack, but I had since lost it, so I remade it and I figured I'd give it away again. The free preset is in the description below. I'm just letting it play through for a minute. When you get it, go to video transitions, look for SDS puzzle transition, and it'll be right there. I'll take it to Fusion. I'm not going to go over the whole thing, but show you all the nodes. You can also open it up in Fusion yourself. That's the whole project there. I want to do a tutorial on it, but it's quite time consuming, so not going to do that. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.